Let's check them out.
Whoa, they're Marvel sandals.
Ooh, check these out.
And then we have a gold. Now we have
We've got so many of them and so many colors.
There's 4 sandals.
Which colors are they? We've got the green, the red, the blue,
the yellow.
the yellow. Oh, I can't wait to see how they look like.
Let's open them. Whoa, I can make a tower with this. Blue, green, red, golden. Golden is my most favorite. I wish I could buy some.
Whoa, that's a tall tower.
Let's see if it's bigger.
Are you taller than the tower?
Yes.
Yes, a little bit. Okay, look.
Okay guys, we've opened the top. Now we're going to open it. Okay. And guys, look, they are shiny and cute. Now let's battle the heads. Yeah. Heads are so wiggly.
Very shiny.
Ooh, love they stand. Wait. What? In there, guys. Now their face is gonna be more wobbly.
Whoopsie, one fell down.
This is gonna sing the numbers for you guys. 1, whoopsie, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You guys are sleeping.
Are they tired? They're sleepy like you?
Yeah, and they're shaking their heads.
Which toys?
My shiny
You're sleeping.
ones.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
My shiny ones.
Were you dreaming about something?
Yeah, and I lost them. So sad, it was a dream. Hey, is that my shiny toys?
No, don't. I said a happy face, okay? Okay, 3, 2, 1, look at me. Look at me.